For the hand sketches, I used the croquis I provided and did the outlines for it, but for these, I just figured out how the fabric flows and how it's supposed to drape down on the body. I try to keep the collection a little cohesive with princess seams, a band over the top, small little things here and there to make sure it's cohesive. I try to do a little type of an evening wear or like a late evening type of design for most of my collections. Uh, a lot of it was a little bit more cohesive in the original. I try to keep a lot of it to match each other. For the croquis itself, when I uploaded the pictures, I was able to dim it. If I were just to click here, you click it here, makes it a little less noticeable, so it's easier to trace over. You unclick that, submit it, it comes back up. For the croquis, I just outlined them and did the top layers, made the lines look more smooth, more even throughout. So I did the outlines for the most of them. They came out better. I actually like outlining them on Illustrator because the lines look a lot more nicer and neater. I had a really good time with this assignment. It was good practice since last semester was atrocious. But it was a good assignment.